With the advent of edge computing and 5G, industrial enterprises can process more and more data at the edge of the network rather than move their operational data to the cloud. This industrial edge is where data is generated, and running analytics closer to the source produces faster insights and informs immediate actions that can transform operations, from operational efficiency and cost savings to manage risks and elevated safety. With AI running at the edge, you can fix problems even before they occur. The industrial edge can be a factory floor, a high-rise building, or even a city intersection, anywhere you find critical connected assets. Let's deep dive into digital transformations at the edge. Imagine you're an operations manager for an assembly cell who commits to optimize quality and increase throughput by adding robotics inspection systems that uses the latest in computer vision and AI to augment human inspectors. With advanced AI running near the machines, you can optimize your process in real time to entirely avoid making costly mistakes. AI can also predict machine failures, so you can plan ahead to avoid expensive downtime and loss of productivity. These AI and automation capabilities exist today. However, a successful deployment requires a wide breadth of technology domains working together and in sync. For example, you need to provide wireless and cellular connectivity to network sensors and robots. You need to reconfigure legacy control networks to incorporate these new subsystems, fuse disparate sources of data from sensors, control systems, and even video streams, and orchestrate a complex data flow. Run analytics and AI locally and use its output to automate sequences. Navigating such complex integration is key to successful IoT and 5G rollouts in industrial facilities. What if there was an out-of-the-box integrated hardware and software solution that made such a complex integration possible? Now, there is. Dialog's edge computing platform weaves an IoT-centric data fabric that connects any edge device, whether it's a sensor, meter, or a machine, horizontally to its peers, or vertically to automation and control systems, analytics services, industrial SCADA systems, and even cloud-based IoT hubs and AI platforms. This fabric is optimized for LTE and 5G connectivity, offering industrial enterprises an end-to-end solution. The fabric, built on open foundation of hardware and software standards, provides secure access to underlying device and data from virtually anywhere. Let me introduce the SmartServer IoT and SmartServer Edge, a family of distributed edge servers with software stack that allows you to build limitless automation, analytics, and IoT applications on top of cellular and 5G infrastructure inside of enterprises. SmartServer IoT and Edge offer built-in connectivity options for industrial networking and massive IoT. Smart servers include software drivers for popular open industrial networking protocols, which allow you to talk with any device or sensor. More importantly, developers have access to free APIs to create their own drivers for proprietary protocols. The system architecture is connected using an intelligent messaging layer built on open IoT access protocol, which is at the core of every smart server. This core forms the resilient and distributed data fabric that connects devices, clients, and services, regardless of where they're running. To facilitate industrial processes, we have integrated built-in automation and control services and analytics and AI services. Users can now locally analyze data and make decisions and create actions without ever having to send data to the cloud. To make IT and OT integration as tight as possible, we have included OPC UA and BACnet interfaces to industrial management systems such as SCADA or BMS. The traditional workstations can coexist with modern monitoring, analytics, and AI. For system integrators, we have included a web-based management UI and drag-and-drop programming tools needed to manage devices and customize the platform to their exact application, whether it's used to optimize energy usage by an HVAC system or predict failures in discrete manufacturing processes. SmartServer IoT and SmartServer Edge work together to form the data fabric that covers entire factory floors, buildings, and facilities to usher in the era of industrial edge computing. Contact Dialog for more information about our solutions.